Welcome to Knowledge Search channel. In this video, we will be discussing about design thinking. So, what are the drivers of design thinking is what we are going to discuss in this video. Previously, in our channel, we have posted n number of videos related with design thinking. As you all know that this modern education system and modern way of employment will be highly benefited if it implements design thinking based approach. It has been already discussed and also it is proved worldwide in many of the leading organizations for their success. In this video, we will be discussing about what are the drivers of design thinking. What is the driver? Okay. So here, a driver in the sense, see the main 3 or 4 drivers of design thinking are, the first one is creativity, the second one is curiosity, then third one is innovation, and finally thinking. So these are the 4 important drivers of design thinking. And from the explanation, you will be understanding that all are interrelated with each other. So, creativity and curiosity, innovation and thinking. These are the drivers of design thinking. So, now let's dive deeply into why all these 4 parameters are very important drivers of design thinking approach. See, for example, you know that creativity, innovation and thinking are very closely related to the cognitive skills, cognitive skills which are used in all stages of the design thinking process. Innovation is the very important idea which is going to shape the industry's design, and it will help the design engineers which can conceive the previously unimagined design options. What do you mean by innovation? Innovation is nothing but we are going to generate and we are going to apply new ideas which are desired by human and which are technically feasible and which are commercially viable. That is called as innovation. Design innovation. What do you mean by design innovation? It can be applied to the design of the product, service, process and anything that requires a change for improvement. That is called as design innovation. And we all should remember that for all the things, creativity is the fuel that runs the engine of innovation. You know that there could be no innovation without creativity. So, creativity is the ability to produce new ideas. But innovation is nothing but it is a practical application of these ideas or practical implementation of these ideas. Okay. So, please don't think creativity and innovation are same. No. Creativity is different from innovation. Okay. So, creativity is nothing but it is the ability to produce new ideas. Ability to produce new ideas is called as creativity. Whereas innovation is nothing but practical application of these ideas is called as the innovation. Okay. Creativity always drives the innovation. But curiosity is the one which is going to drive the creativity. Okay, because only curious people can become creative thinkers. So, from this we can conclude that creativity can be enhanced by curiosity and imagination. So, from this we can understand that curiosity, creativity, critical thinking, innovation, all are related to one another and all are the very important key players or very important drivers for the process of design thinking. So this has been explained in a flowchart form. You can see that, okay, so this is the flowchart form. So from which we can understand that curiosity and creativity are driven by each other, and finally you can see that the other two parameters are also coming into picture, that is thinking and innovation, and finally you will be getting the design solution. So this is the flow chart of representing all the four drivers of design thinking. Okay, and in our SNS institutions we have implemented many design thinking based approaches which has enhanced our education, which has enhanced our knowledge reach to the students, which has enhanced our process. So I am really very happy to share such things. So here I will be sharing you one small video where we use the design thinking based approach.
Today we have Renny, Dinesh Kumar, Saran Kumar. So here in this video we are going to discuss about PPTP. So as you all know, PPTP is nothing but mechanical power transmission part, and EPTP is nothing but electrical power transmission part. Both are having its own plus and minus, and based on this we are having different types of architectures in all the series. So let us start the discussion related to this. Now, Dinesh, can you tell me what is MPTP and what is EPTP?
The highway electric vehicles, there are the power transmission department takes a main role. So the power transmission parts are MPTP and the EPTP. MPTP means that mechanical power transmission part, and the EPTP means that electrical power transmission part. In the MPTP we have a drive shaft and the coupling waves, and the EPTP we have the beams. So using this part, we can efficiently manage the transport.
So, Renny, can you tell me how the architecture is made? I mentioned this MPTP and EPTP.
Hybrid electric vehicle architecture divided into three types: series parallel. The series type MPTP and EPTP are connected in series. In parallel, MPTP and EPTP are connected in parallel. Series parallel, MPTP and EPTP are both connections. In that series connection, it is useful for a city drive. It is used parallel drive. It is useful for a highway drive, and it's convenient for city drive and highway drive.
Selva, can you justify, for example, that a person is going by a car and he is regularly communicating between Gandhipuram and around 5 kilometers regularly. And can you tell me how is the traffic pattern and this day architecture is going to work?
Since it is inside city, very hard. Also comes under secondary.
Series will be best for most of the city because it is having more frequent starts and stops as well as speed changes in the motor. And electric motor will be having higher role. So can you suggest an architecture for example, seed architecture for driving from here to Five near your road? For the car. Yeah. Can you please justify?
Since this long distance
We need high performance. We need high performance. So we need somewhat less compared to highway driving. So we will be car will be the so can you justify an architecture which, for example, is driving around 50 kilometers about Hamilton. So which will this architecture will be series per bike. So from this video, you have concluded that series, so all the city architectures are classified into three different types: series parallel and series parallel. series architecture, the EPDP and the EPDP will be considered series formation. EPDP is parallel formation. Here in this series parallel formation, both the series parallel formation. So for series driving, series HT will be having the upper hand and will be having high efficiency because electrical motor will be having a low. Whereas in case of parallel, will be IC will be having an higher load because of which highway driving will be and whereas, for example, if you have a long drive with a combination of both city as well as the INS driving, series parallel space. Different types of architecture comes to picture for different types of series driving according to the necessity. So thank you.